All right, another day for the walleye. Mr. D, say hi. Uh, you feel lucky today?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, we're gonna see.
It won't be long. I
เริ่ม
promise you.
ไปเรื่อยๆพ่อแม่พี่น้องว่าเป็นยังไงอันนี้หากันลงมาว่ามันสิได้บ่มาเลยประมาณ5 โมงพอดี5 โมงแรงได้ปอกได้ปลาอะไรสิทายพี่น้องเบิ่ง
My friend, keep doing what you like.
Yep, yes sir. Come on, man. Fish on, baby, fish on. Not bad, fish on. Not bad. First
First of the day. Here we go, Mr. Joe got one. Good side, buddy. Good side, baby. Here we go.
Go, baby. Here we go.
Give me some skin there.
Yes, sir.
Look at that.
We need to get that. Oh, hold on. Let me get that fly. And my GPS up ready to go. Oh, he's already up. Keep that in. Awesome. Here we go, baby. Here we go. This is how we do it. This is what tell.
Good job, man. You coming?
Alright, Mr. D. Mr. D. Mr. D got one.
Oh.
Is that a good one, D? Oh, yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one, man. That's a good one. That's a good one. But just don't pick them up from the water. Oh, that's a good one. Hold on. Oh, shit. Yeah, there you go.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good job.
That's good side, brother.
Yep. Good job. Hey,
I didn't know it was biting.
how you guys doing?
Did you see this, Bhutan?
Andy, you in the right boat. He's a good captain. Wutam's a good captain.
Did you see that, Bhutan?
There you go. Show him.
Look like a fish to me, huh?
All right. Fish.
Yeah, it's a big one too. This motherfucker's taking it. Look at it.
He took over his dad.
Yeah.
You show your dad how to fish, okay?
Oh my god.
What happened?
Andy got one now.
Oh, Andy got one? All right.
This motherfucker was taking this. I don't know why you have to loosen the drag. Don't fight it.
Yep. Want to see that fish, Andy? I want to see that fish.
Man, we need to flip this thing, man. This thing got a...
What?
Understand, man.
Right there, the plane right there.
Trying to. I'm trying to see that shit too.
Ooh.
Tip us over. Okay.
Hook one, Andy, hook one. Man, it took him over a minute to get the fish out.
Oh, holy shit. Catfish.
Catfish? No wonder it take you so long. Good job, good job, good job. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Woo, catfish. What? Oh, bass. It's all right, man. It's okay. Okay. What? Oh, bass. It's all right, man. It's okay. All right, D. These.
Yep.
All right? Yeah. All right, buddy. Good job, buddy. Good job.
One more.
2, 5. There you go. That's Mr. D number 2. Is that? Oh, beautiful day. Warm harness. Lose it. Oh, that's a big one.
That's good. You want me to net it? Or? No, I'm holding the camera.
Yeah, you hold the camera and I'm gonna net it.
Ooh, peel and drag. Peel, Joe, peel and drag. Oh, I got one too, I think.
Too close to the top. Yeah, get the net. I think I'm gonna need to help you with that. Oh, coming up. Coming up. Get it one time. Get, ooh, that's a big one, dude. Get the head, okay? Oh, yeah, baby. Ooh. That's what we're here for. You turn it off already?
No, not yet.
Okay, don't turn it off.
I think one said I'm ready to hold it. I haven't. Damn it. Oh, almost as big as yours.
Good one. Don't lift it up. Don't lift it up. Don't lift it up. Yeah, leave it in the water.
Not quite as big as yours.
Yeah. See. Yeah, leave it it. There you go. Good job, babe. Good job. Right on, Mara. That's how we do it. Keep it up. I'm gonna put it down so.
Another one. That's a good one, Doc.
Yeah.
That's Joe right here. That's a man. This guy's a master.
No, not quite yet.
Look, Master Joe.
Not quite yet. So watch out. Oh, shit. That's it. I know how to get that fish out. Yeah. That's what we're here for, baby.
That's a good one.
Yep.
One more in the cooler.
Good day, good day, good day, boss. Come here, พี่น้องเอ้ยเพิ่นน่ะไอ้คน บุญเด้อนี่เด้อ night fishing นี่หลายคัน How you doing Mr. D
Doing good.
You doing good
So,
Mr. D is kicking butt today Yeah let me see what we looking at the fish Doing good he's about ready to call it Oh night หากินเหล้า
pretty dark. Another baby fish.
What I'm not losing that. Oh, I'm not losing. Oh. Yeah, baby.
Oh, this is a good one, Joe.
Oh, yeah.
Good sight.
Oh, good one, man.
This guy's on fire today.
No,
Tonight.
you know, man.
All day, all night.
Fire. Oh, wait. You know, man, doesn't matter what I do. Hold on, let me show you the bait, okay? Hold on.
Mm-hmm.
From the out. Plucking at night. Oh, what the fuck? Wait, turn it off for now. นี่เป็นไอเพชรเด้อนี่เด้อคิงเลยนี่นะสองตัวเมียนี่สองตัวเมียเอาดีไว้ เป็นยังไงใกล้สเต็มไลฟ์แล้วหรอวะวะพวกข่อยก็ประมาณ12 13 14นี่แหละประมาณนั่นแหละ
You're on a fishing meeting.
Yeah
I probably got about 10.
Yeah That's good night เจ้าเราขอกับเมื่อแล้วนี่
I know, me too.
ไปหากินเหล้าก่อนนี่นะผมไม่กินออกเลยคนนะคนมาติดตอน Friday night นี่แหละ night fishing บอกเข้ามือนี่ก็ successful night another successful night เนาะ alright yep we might close the clip we might do a couple more trolling call it a night